Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I am sharing a space in my home decorated for summer. And guys, I really stepped out of my comfort zone for this one. But before we get into the video, I wanted to take a minute and introduce you to two ladies who will be joining me today, and they will be decorating a space in their home for summer as well. So I have Kathleen from Kathleen Elizabeth, and then I have Chanel from Interior Designs by Chanel. And we all will be sharing spaces in our home that we have decorated using the color white or off-white. Now, the room does not have to be decorated in all white, but you must use white in your design style. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started so you can see how things turned out, as well as head over to the other channels to see how they did in their spaces. So before I start decorating, I like to get an idea of how I want the space to feel. For the dining room and for summer, I wanted the dining room to have a light and airy feel. I also wanted the space to have somewhat of a casual elegance. Okay, so these are some of the items that I plan to use in the space. I'm not sure if I'll use all of the items here, so I will share them as I decorate. So today I'm going to give you guys two simple looks. One will be a little bit more elegant, and then the other one will be more of a casual elegance. So let's get started. So once I decided how I wanted the room to feel, I headed to HomeGoods to pick up a curtain rod. And so while I was in the curtain aisle looking for the curtain rod, I ran across a pair of curtains. Okay, so I think the curtains turned out really nice. They are bold in pattern and the color is pretty bold as well. Okay guys, so this is the room and how things are looking before I start to bring in the decor. Now this is my formal dining room, and as you look around the space, there are a few things that would be considered formal. I have this table which has a formal look to it, the chandelier, as well as the pair of lamps. And so what I like to do with all of the formal features, I like to tone things down a bit. And so I'm going to do that by bringing in some modern and casual home decor. Okay, and so this is my casual but a little bit modern decor. It's not overdone, at least not in my opinion. And it has the white detail that I wanted to add to the tabletop. And these matches I got over the Christmas holiday, and I just took them out of their original container, wrapped them in some rubber band, and placed them in a votive cup that I got from Pottery Barn. And of course, the crystal came from HomeGoods. Okay, so I'm going to put a few little pieces on the buffet, and then we'll take a quick look at how everything came together. Okay, a quick look around the room. Okay, so on the buffet, I wanted to keep it pretty simple, but I wanted to bring over the gold and the gray. and then a little bit of the cream. And so the runner helps to bring the darker gray from the curtains onto the table. Okay, so tell me what you think. Do you like it with the runner or without the runner? Okay guys, so this is the final look, and I think this is the one that I like best. It's simple and it has a touch of elegance. So here I just placed the gold leaf bowl and I placed the white orbs inside. I placed my candle, which I got from Target, inside of this gold bowl. But for this particular vignette, I wanted to place the white bowl inside of the gold bowl to break up some of the white. Now, I placed it on the tray so that the gold could stand out against the brown table. And then I just placed a candle snuffer on the tray. And then I used the off-white or white vase, which also came from Target. And I just placed some stems. I had some green stems that I had around the home. These smaller ones here came from Hobby Lobby. And then these kind of golden tone flowers came from Target. Okay, so here on the buffet, I wanted to keep it pretty simple, and so I just placed a planter that I got from Home Goods, and I liked the texture on it. I liked the fact that it had the kind of a yellow tone with white, and then it had this metallic trim up top, and so I just placed some beads on the outside of the planter that kind of coordinated, I think, very nicely with the coloring of the pot. So sometimes you can find nice decor in the planter section as well. And then I just added a pair of gold candlesticks. And so I think the metallic trim on the planter picks up the dark tones in the curtains as well as the artwork. And then I like how the artwork ties in with the gold that is pretty much wrapped around the room. And so the desk area, I like the way that turned out as well. I love the way that the leaf wall art matches the curtains so nicely. And then I just added a few accessories on the desk just to pick up the rest of the colors in the space. And I did find some sconces for the back wall. I have not purchased them yet, but I did see a pair at Hobby Lobby, and I'm hoping that they are still there when I am ready to purchase them. So thanks so much for watching. If you are here for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. My channel is about everything home decor. I love decorating, thrifting, and I'm all about sharing budget-friendly tips and ideas for your home. I upload videos twice a week, and I'd love to have you come back and see me again. Guys, please don't forget to stop by the other channels to get more decorating ideas for summer. And I hope to see you all at the next video. Bye-bye.